What's going on YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and in today's video we will be doing the PlayStation symbol or logo. I already have everything hooped. I already have the thread in, or the first thread that we're about to start. So all I got to do is go ahead, press this green button right here and get it started now. In that comment section, go ahead right now and tell me if you are a PlayStation fan or an Xbox fan, and what is your favorite game to play on PlayStation. Let me know down in the comment section right now. I'll just give y'all one of mine, which would be 2K20, NBA 2K20, one of my favorite games to play. Second to that would probably be Call of Duty. So just to throw that out there, you know. So in the comment section, let me know what is your favorite PlayStation game to play. Xbox users and players, this isn't your day. I will have a video for the Xbox, so stay tuned for that, guys. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just clip that jump stitch real quick. All right. Oops. Oh, you gotta put that down. All right, first color is done. On to the second color. Be right back, you guys. Stay tuned to the video. Looks good, coming out clean. I was thinking about actually putting a border on it, maybe in another video, but I just left this one plain. I have been playing with it on the computer to try to see how it look with a border. Without a border, I think it looks better without for now. But if I do decide, I will have a video out on that, so stay tuned for that one. So how I designed it, I did not have to cut any jump stitch so far. So that's actually perfect how it came out. So that's a good thing. All right, so that color is done. On to the next color, which would be blue. So we're going to go ahead and thread this real fast and start it up. All right, so now that's done. We're to the last color, which will be the red, and that is the letter P. So let's go ahead and get that started right now. So right now what I am going to do is cut these jump stitches, because the P will be going over here in the middle. So let's go ahead and clip them. Perfect. And just clip this just because. Best I can do it right there. Now let's get it started. I really forgot about that little yellow piece, but I guess it's going to get covered up, so no need to worry about that. So if you haven't done so, guys, and you're still watching this video, please, I would love it if you guys hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, and most definitely hit those thumbs up. It'll be greatly appreciated, guys. And once again, you guys keep me moving, keep me motivated to do more videos. Thank you for the support. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Stay tuned to the video, and let's do it, y'all. So everything just stopped, as you can probably see here. My bobbin thread is almost empty, so I'm gonna go ahead and change this bobbin, and I will be right back, guys. Stay tuned. We are back. The bobbin is changed. Now let's get this video back started. And the great thing I really do love about this machine, and also the SE600, those are the only two other machines I had, so those are the only things I really know, that when it stops, or even if the machine cuts off like a power outage or anything, you can restart it right back from where you left off. So that's one great tool or asset to the machine. So once again, guys, if you haven't purchased yours, go on Amazon, try to find it, but I have heard that the machines are going for a high and expensive price right now. Some of them even $1,400. So if you can't find it on there, try to shop around, maybe eBay or any other websites. So definitely go ahead, guys, and you could be following along with me. So stay tuned, guys. Once again, if you haven't done so, hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, and also hit those thumbs up. Thank you. Stay tuned. Let me know down in the comment section, guys, how is it coming out so far? It's almost finished. Let me know how it looks. Let me get a thumbs up. Good, bad, ugly, great. Let me know, guys, in the comment section. If you want more videos like this, like up this video. I just need about 10 likes. Like up the video. We're going to definitely have more videos. Like I said, Xbox, I will be doing that video soon, so stay tuned for that one. Alright, embroidery is finished and done. Go ahead, take it out the hoop, and you guys let me know what you think. Alright, guys, this is the finished result. Zoom in on it like that. Alright, not gonna get too close, but yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Like I said, this is the PlayStation logo. Let me know what you guys think about it, how it looks. Came out good. I see some minor issues, nothing major. Just have to add a little bit more pull comp to here, and here, and a little bit here, and probably the red. And that's just so they can connect, so it'll be overlapping a little bit. So other than that, everything looks great. I think it came out dope. So once again, guys, this is your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs. And if you want more videos like this, like I said, always hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, thumbs the video up, and stay tuned for more. So as always, stay blessed, guys, and continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out.